Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Stocking Perpetrator here. I'm finishing up my second dig job for the day, messing with sewer lines. But if you look right there, there's a black pole, and then over to the left of it is another pole, and then there's another one out here. I was telling y'all about Big Brother watching. Those are Big Brother. There's my truck. And then right up on top right here, that's another one of those gunshot sensors. And then if you look far out, there's another one on that building and on this building. You can barely make them out in the tree line right there, right off the peaks. But those are the gunshot sensors. So anyways, my buddy's moving down, filling in or smoothing out the other job the first job on part one. We finished this one up. This was where we had all the beer bottles. All the beer bottles were gone when we got here today. Still some caps and all that mixed in the dirt. But we got this dug up, got a clean out in, so I don't have to go inside the house and when the line gets clogged up and pull a toilet and all that. I just hope the mower guys don't come in and bust the tops like some of them usually do. Looks kind of rough out here, but we got some rain coming this weekend, so I'll be back out Monday. I'll do a final rake on this and get some stuff out, smooth it out a little more. I want to see where it sinks down. But in case you're wondering, somebody asked about pricing on one of the comments. This was 3.5 feet deep. It took us about 2 hours, but when I do jobs like this, it's when we bring the tractor, it's $500 a foot. Half foots don't count, so it's a $2,000 job. We were on it for 2 hours. We did hit a big root. I mean, it was like about that big. His tractor just kept chipping away at it until it finally broke loose, and it's because of these stupid ass bushes that somebody wants to plant all around the sewer line, and they don't realize that the roots are searching for water and they love to get into the sewer line. But anyway, I'm tired. I've got to go help my buddy strap the tractor down so he can get on home. I know I'm behind on a few comments. I will catch up on those this weekend, probably Sunday, because when I get home tonight, I'm going to take a relax. I'm just going to sit back and relax, kick back, because I go tomorrow to get my CCW, because we can actually, with a CCW, we can open carry in this state. I do not want to open carry. I do want to carry, but I'm going to my preference of choice is not good for like an inside waistband or anything like that, so at least we can drape our shirt over it, and if we print, it doesn't matter. That was one of the reasons they changed the law here, so that printing doesn't get you in trouble, because before it used to, if you printed, they'd get you just as if you were open carrying. But our state has wised up and done the right thing. And I will see y'all on another video.